Let us understand about the difference between pedicel and peduncle. Now, when we talk about these terms, they are usually associated with flowers. So, if we talk about a pedicel usually supports a single flower. So, if this is a single flower, then the stalk of this single flower is usually called a pedicel. If we talk about the peduncle, then the peduncle can support either a single flower or an entire inflorescence. So if I draw a single flower here, then this stalk can be called peduncle. But usually we use peduncle in cases of inflorescence. So we have studied about inflorescence in our previous lectures, right? So inflorescence is a cluster of flowers arranged on a floral axis like this. So this peduncle is actually the main stalk in the inflorescence, which connects all these small florets. So this main stalk that connects all these multiple flower clusters, this main stalk is called this middle one is called the peduncle. Alright, so the pedicle is usually associated with a single flower, whereas the peduncle can support a single flower or a cluster of flowers called inflorescence. Now, if we talk about the pedicel, it is a kind of a secondary support to the flower. Secondary support to the single flower, whereas the peduncle is usually connected to the main stem. So if this is the main stem of the flower, if this is the main stem of the plant, then this stem is usually then branched and forms a peduncle over which the inflorescence is born. So the peduncles are usually connected with the main stem. So they are a kind of a primary support from the main stem. Alright, now a single flower usually has a single pedicel, but a peduncle can have multiple pedicels. Here in this inflorescence, if we look closely, then there is a single main stalk peduncle at the middle, and from this peduncle are arising different smaller stalks supporting single flowers, right? So what are these smaller stalks? These are pedicels only. We just studied that pedicels are the stalks of the single flower, right? So a peduncle can have many pedicels, but pedicels are only one. Alright, so I hope the difference is clear to you.